Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. I feel like that's going to be too loud. So I have unboxings to do, and my hands are really dry. So let me get some lotion. Okay, so I'm about to use this. This is not the haul. The unboxing. This is just something that I use. And I was trying to grab it with the scissors, and I was scratched up the lid, but this is my favorite, one of my favorite everyday use body butters. Because it's a huge jar, and you find them at Marshall's. It's $6.99, and it's just a fresh goes. You can layer your perfume over it. It's awesome, and it feels good. Okay, so don't go buy all of them because I need to find them, but you should definitely try it. It's Olay body butter. Okay, so we're checking this lighting. Is it lighted? Is it bright? Okay, so what I'm wearing now, what do I have on? I have the Fenty lip liner, traced out liner in MVP with, did I put this on? Okay, yes, and I did use the MVP lip gloss over it, and then I ate dinner just now, so not bad. Not bad. So, okay. Oh, yeah, still good. Okay, I brought in the packages. I also brought in my mail, so let me just sift through that really quickly. I have a couple packages here. What is this? Oh, this is the game I ordered from. Okay, so first we're going to do this IPSY bag. It is really IPSY. And then in these same clothes, we're going to film the icon box that came in. I'm so excited. Okay, whew. Okay, so this must be, I got all discombobulated, all confused. So I think this is the glam bag, because this looks like the glam bag. What is this? Oh, but then again, this might be the box. I really don't even know anymore. Oh, it's a small bag. So this is, yeah, because the glam bag is now BoxyCharm, and that comes in a box. This is the basic one, the sampley one, which it's not bad. It's not my favorite. It comes with a beauty blender, makeup blending sponge. Yeah, this is the, yeah. Okay. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. Hold on, I gotta get this. I gotta get this sponge. It's cut. Whatever. I was gonna say, of course it bounced all the way under the bed. Whatever. Almost. It was. Okay, this is a cute bag. Definitely gonna keep that. I did cancel this subscription though. This glam bag, whatever this is called, the little sampley one. I canceled that. I did not intend to do that. I was trying to get something. I don't know. I messed it up. Anyways, goat milk hand cream. You know I love a hand cream. This is actually pretty good color matching. With this light, I was the point of that. Moisturized dry hands. Goat milk hand cream. Sealed for safety. This is by Dionys. Goat milk skincare. Nate. Oh, blood orange is the scent. I love a blood orange. Cruelty free, paraben free, leaping bunny friendly. Yay. Goat. But it's made from goat milk. Okay. It didn't say it was vegan. So let's focus on what we need to be focused on. This is from Mana Kadar, step 2. Flawless Finish Dual Powder. What is this? What is this? What is it? Now, if you watched my last video, which I'm glad the 3 of you did, thank you. You know I have a trip coming up, so I am looking for little things to take with me. Oh, this is a nice little finishing powder. This is a good travel size. Instead of taking my Laura Mercier, I can take this if it's a good color match. And we're just going to test that right now. Okay. That's probably not the best way to... Oh, it's very soft. Okay, this is good for, yeah, finishing powder. I don't really use a lot of foundation because it's so hard to match my skin tone. So I mainly have been doing concealer and blush, and I'm still trying to find the right concealer. I mix like 3 or 4 different colors. That's the hardest part because my dark circles are so dark. But anyways, yeah, and I don't do the whole color correction. I mean, I just feel like it's an extra step. Can I just get a concealer that works? That's all I'm asking. One to match this face skin color. Okay. Anyways, on to the next things in the bag. Okay, so this is, oh, so that's 3 things. Okay, 4 and 5. Number 4, the Corez Nourishing Probiotic Gel Cream. What is this for? Why are there like 4 languages? I still don't know what it is. Greek yogurt gel cream, replenish and bounce. Is this a moisturizer? I'm confused by the probiotic part of the name. I'm gonna guess that it's a moisturizer made in Greece. Replenish and bounce. Joe, okay, I'm gonna go with it's a moisturizer. Okay, that's what we're gonna go with. Sealed for safety? Yes, it is. Okay. And this is, I could say Fendi, but because there's 2 F's, but it's not Fendi. It's definitely not Fendi. It must be a liquid lipstick. In the shade. This is not good packaging. Because I don't know the brand and I don't know the color. But it's cute. It's cute. And it, is that it right there? No, that's the Leaping Bunny. This is the logo. Oh, it's probably on this little card they gave me. Duh. This is Finding Ferdinand. Gloss color in Thorn. Say hello to your favorite nude lippy. It's packed with nourishing marula oil for deep hydration and high luster shine. Okay. Manicadar, Corez, Greek yogurt, nourishing probiotic gel cream, light airy cream packs on hydrating, punch quizzing your thirsty skin for time release moisture. Yeah, so it is a moisturizer. Okay, goat milk. Okay, so this moment that we are all in is about moisturizing, the moment you've been waiting for. Step up your self-expression game with your brand new faves. Okay, we'll see. And the color on this Manicadar is C as in cat 6. Flawless Tan. C6 Flawless Tan. I mean, it doesn't look like a bad color match. It would go well under, either on top of, the face or under the eyes. So yeah, deluxe sample. The MSRP of the full price version is $24. Deluxe sample. Oh, of course, this is full size. Oh, and this is full size. Okay. Everything else is a sample, obviously. Cute bag. I might switch out my other bag for this bag in my purse. We shall see. Cute, though. This is really cute. This might have to travel with me because this is actually really cute. Okay, so that's my IPSY, what is this? Glam bag? Is it a... It's gotta be. It's a glam bag because it says glam on it. Duh. It says glam. So this is a glam bag. Limited edition mystery, but I'm really getting that. Okay. Okay, I can't wait anymore. Thank you so much for watching. It has been a pleasure. We're going to do this all again in like 5 minutes. I'm going to put all this stuff away, get myself ready for this icon box. Okay. All right. Peace, love, and happiness. Hair grease. Peace. Bye.